A lizard can lose its tail and then grow a completely new one. But how does its body actually rebuild something that complex? When a predator grabs a lizard's tail, some species can deliberately detach it through a process called autotomy. Specialized areas between the tail's vertebrae allow the tail to separate, while muscles contract and blood vessels constrict to limit blood loss. But the real miracle begins after the tail is gone. The wound quickly starts closing and cells around the injury become highly active. Some mature cells change their behavior and help create a mass of developing cells called a blastema. Think of it as a temporary biological construction zone. Inside this region, cells multiply and receive chemical signals telling them what structures to build. New blood vessels form, nerves begin growing, muscle tissue develops, and a new tail gradually starts taking shape. But there's an important difference. The regenerated tail usually isn't an exact copy of the original. Instead of perfectly rebuilding the original vertebrae, many lizards produce a cartilage-based supporting structure. The new tail also develops new muscles, skin, scales, and blood vessels around it. Over weeks or months, depending on the species and conditions, the tail can become surprisingly large and functional. So a lizard isn't simply growing another tail. It's activating a remarkable regeneration program that coordinates cells, tissues, blood vessels, and nerves to rebuild a lost body part. And scientists are studying these mechanisms because they could eventually teach us much more about how human tissues repair themselves. Follow for more hidden science behind everyday things.